Cozy.
Kelly, and guys, as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, today I'm gonna try on one of my school uniform from primary school to high school. We're not gonna take long to get serious in this video, so we just want to make something what I never understand. No one like, why when in a primary school your bag look like this? Like, why is so big? Like, literally, why so big? And then we got high school, it look like this, small tiny mini bag, and then primary school, this big excitement enlarged and jar stick bag. What is going on? Why the bag so big? And high school is this little tiny thing. Wow.
Okay.
So guys, I just see by my hairstyle and my edges, I do my hair before we start this video because we have 1, 2, 3 uniform. Literally I have my grade 9 uniform, I'm a grade 6 uniform, I'm a grade 10 uniform. Like, oh my gosh, what is going on? Comment down below how old you think I am. Alright, so boom. I have to go outside and show you. Oh, I'm tired. I feel like one fat lady. I'll come on.
Okay.
See you uniform. We're going to try it, and I'm going to go outside to show you the full look. I think the arm can fit still. Oh my gosh, I literally got through this again, guys. Oh my gosh, no, seriously, this I got to put up my ear. Alright, might go forget Edward first. I don't want to put up my ear. Come on, see? The bag excitement. Okay. My watch. Oh my gosh, no, what? Oh my gosh, no, that's crazy.
Hey, Chuck, Father God.
Why am I gonna do it? Why am I gonna literally? I'm stuck. I'm literally stuck. Hope. Alright, don't give up. Alright. Stop it. Oh my gosh, guys. I have to go outside and show on this. Oh, no, girl. Stop it, literally. This is so cute, guys. I literally have to go outside and show my full body. Oh my gosh, I'm so... No. Me did their primary school? Oh my. This is so... Alright guys, I'm carrying outside and I'm showing you a full look with the big bag on my bag and everything. This is my primary school uniform. I was in like grade 6. I'm not really grow though. Guys, this is not funny. Like, no, I'm not even grow a little bit. Well, I grow a little tiny bit. I'm showing you like, what? Guys, this is so crazy. Like, it literally reached right here, so maybe I'll grow like a little bit. Alright guys, we're gonna try to in the grade 9 uniform. Oh, I'm tired. Alright, so we're gonna try to grade 9 uniform and come back. I'm gonna cry. What? That is so cute. Oh my, stop it. Oh my gosh, I'm literally gonna cry a little bit of tears. Girl, like 1 minute. We just want to stay night. We just want to stay night. Oh my god, that's cool. My girl, like a little bit, like this is so cool. Look again. Like, ew.
What is that?
Alright, so we'll put on a girl night uniform now. I'm tired, man. I know I'm gonna do that jump for. Alright, I'm gonna take this off. Oh gosh, I seriously can't take this off. No, I can't take this off. I can't take it off. Somebody send help. I pull up my hair because this is literally grade 6. I'm in a grow. Little bit. Oh, literally, Anyways, we're gonna try to take this off. Guys, look, I forgot somebody did have my tie to put out with my uniform. Oh my gosh, I forgot that. Like, what's wrong with me? Literally, I have a tie right here to put out the uniform. I never remember. Somebody send help. This is my infant school tie. Me not make that uniform. I not even know which part of it. But obviously, can't go fit my car with the little, like with that baby. Yes. Grade 9. Grade 9 time now. Grade 9 time now. Somebody talk to me and was said we have to have white blouse. We have to have like white blouse. Stop. This is literally the best thing. Guys, one thing I always wish for me, I always wish like high school friend them, my classmate them would just meet up one time and go somewhere fun. Like even if a primary school or high school, especially high school, because you know you're more close to people in my high school. Even though everybody just people grow and turn different and stuff, but like in a business, me still would have like. Would have like link up or do a next or while we in one classroom again. Oh my gosh, this nearly dropped. Or while we in one classroom again. That would be so cool. Like, oh my gosh, I would go. Guys, I don't understand grade 9, you know. I could say what I'm going to be grade 9 uniform. Girl, going back to school, what you do? What you I know grade 9 fit, you know? What? No, like come talk to me really. What is literally taking place? What is literally taking place? Oh my gosh, this not a button panny. I go cry. This not have no button panny. I'm safe as it. I go feel away now. The button up on this, and everybody knows say the button. I want to keep it together. Jeez, I mean I no pin nothing. Guys, we soon come back. I gotta find one pin to pin this. Cause what? But bro. Alright guys, I'm gonna find one pin. Oh my gosh, literally. Oh my no, like when I care nobody said if you don't know me, grade 10. Let me tell you the truth. Let me tell you the truth what God loves. Grade 8 and grade 9 was the best year of my life in high school. Because like yes! Alright guys, my camera outside for to see real look. Because it like literally just have shine for the white and I shine the white and doing everything else for sure. Oh I'm tired. I'm carrying outside now. Oh, alright guys, so outside now. Sorry for that video long way, but like I forget to pull everything. So I feel long way. Oh, 1 second. I'm gonna drop.
Cozy.
Alright guys, I'm switch location. This is my grade 10 uniform. I know literally 5 o'clock, sun soon gonna say I have to go outside and show my full look. So yeah, my tie. Every time I put on belt, people always ask, oh you can't breathe, At first I can't breathe like.
I say my shame when me hear my embarrassed.
We can't breathe. So we're gonna go outside. I'm gonna show you full outfit and everything with his shoes. The sun literally gone over this. So.
Do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the thing right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know?
Alright guys, as you can see, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know some look very much different from the first part of the video because I did in my sun. I look stressed out. I'm hot right now, but Cassandra wanted to say hi, but hi guys. But guys, this is the end of this video. I know I look rough. Why I look so rough? I look really rough. This is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I look rough, but a little bit more on later.
And a sentence for me.
This is Channel Russian for TDJ News.
If you want to know how to run fast, come to Jamaica.